Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change a layer mask from white to black. Let's begin. Define white, black. Okay, and insert or edit this background layer. I do not edit this background layer. You first of all edit background layer, then import any picture or image, then selected object, click layer mask, then show automatically black. Remove, click brush tool and use plate white and black color, then erase or erase. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.